Thou must hate the Lakers. Thou must hate the Chiefs. Thou must despise all Raider fans, especially those who claim to be Denver natives. Thou must not tolerate East Coast bias. Remember the Sabbath, Broncos Sunday. Honor your father, John Elway, or Nikola Jokic. Thou shalt not covet the stupid Cubs, or the Stars, or the Wild. Thou shalt not bear false witness of Game 163. Holiday touched the damn plate. Thou shalt not steal, like the Rangers tried to steal Sakic in '97. And the 8:30 tip-off face-off shall serve as our penance.